what's crazy? Let me tell you what's crazy about what's happening behind me right now. Just to think, just a handful of months ago, maybe just a year ago, the level of where XComp has gone to where it is now. Used to be one car, one open trailer, to now a whole pit lane out here at FuelFest West Palm Beach with some of the dopest cars, gnarliest drivers, the best tires, best people, best companies. If this doesn't just give you an idea on what XComp's doing to elevate not only the drivers, but the sport, gotta give them credit. Look at, it doesn't get better than this. This is it right here. This is where we get down, dude. You know what I mean? This is it. Out here, FuelFest West Palm Beach. Let's get it.
Like this when you are the boss. It don't matter what the cost. Game changer, raise a bar. Let them know who's in charge. Independent, making noise. I do everything with boys. I'm a ghost, I'm like a Royce. I don't know what the boys. I'm in the boys, I'm in the mirror. In the ball, I'm feeling it there. Stats, I'm feeling it. You see me killing it, yeah. I am the boss, I'm in the mirror. In the ball, I'm feeling it, yeah. Check the stats, I'm feeling it, yeah. I am everything. I want everything. I want everything. She. I am everything. You move like this when you the bars. Move like this when you decide. All I do is raise a bar. I can whatever I want. Move like this when you were the boss. Get the money, play the part. Ain't nobody in my spot. Move right in the bars.
It's a beautiful day here out in Southern Florida. We asked for rain, we got a lot of sun. I think there's a 10% chance it's gonna get a little wet. Not positive, but ideal conditions are at a max. I give it a 10 out of 10, and I can't wait to get back to Southern California and Arizona. They don't have that here, so let's give it our best shot and see what happens. All right, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.